said tonight was the night. I just spent about 3 hours trying to fix this car. This is the third night. It's one of the Honda Elements. It's a VTEC system. It's throwing a P2646 code. It's a VTEC actuator code. These are some of the parts that are involved here. This is the actuator. This is the spool valve, and this is a pressure switch. So this is also another pressure switch. I had 3 of them in there, and I have 2 of these spools, 2 of these valve bodies, 2 actuators I've been testing with. So what happened was this car threw the code like a week ago, 2 weeks ago. The only actuator you could get was like a China one from Amazon. So I bought that. It ran for like a day and the code came back. So then I ordered an OEM switch because the code is really related most directly to the pressure switch. So I ordered a switch from Honda and I ordered a spool valve from Honda. I left this China like forged body on. I put the switch on this body and I put the Honda OEM spool valve back in the car. So now the only non-OEM part is this body. Shouldn't matter, right? I cleaned it. I checked the ports were clear. It's all good. Tonight I put it back on. Again, the code. I take this out. I put the Mexican-built spool valve in. Again, the code. I checked the wiring. I cleaned the contacts. I cleaned all the grounds per the manual. I wrung it out to pin 11 on the ECU. I checked every single thing the manual said. The only thing I can determine was that this it came with RTV in it it's like a Teflon sealant or some RTV that it was equipped with from the factory, this aftermarket thing. And because this switch grounds, the body grounds, it wasn't grounding properly when put into this body, no matter which switch I put in. The old used OEM, the new Mexican one, whatever, or the new Honda one. So what a friggin' pain in the butt that was. I think it's fixed. I just drove the car for about 20 miles and it hasn't come on yet. So anyway, moral of the story, I don't even know. Don't work on Hondas.